Change of plans again. We're going to keep the larger shelf on this side. We borrowed the narrow shelf from this side to put over here so that we could push the bed back, which makes a huge difference in my opinion. Now I need to go buy some more tubs from Walmart to fill in my side again, since his side got some of my tubs. And IKEA still doesn't have any of the little narrow shelves, so we have to wait for IKEA. This I just got at a yard sale, and I'm very excited. I want to turn this into my vanity. I've never had a vanity, and I've always wanted one. So I'll be excited to work with this in the next few weeks or so. Rearrange shoes in the closet to try to make it work a little bit better. Rearrange the clothes in the closet to try to make that work a little bit better. Put my husband's stuff on this side. Put my stuff on that side, because I figure I'm the one who wanted to crowd this side of the closet, so I should be the one that has to dig for my clothes, not him. But right now we're going to have to take a break on organizing this room because other things have come up, and I'm not really sure what I'm doing anymore in here. No, that's not true. Not true. It's just a process of waiting for... I made a mistake. I have to start over now, darn it. I thought I was going to do some rearranging in here and try to figure out what to do with all of this stuff that we have. But I don't know what to do yet. It's going to require some serious thought about what we have going on in here. Same with this room. It's still not exactly the way I'd like to see it. And of course my bags can't be hanging here. That's just ridiculous. So I'll have to put on the old thinking cap and get back to it later. For me, organizing is all about trying to solve all the little things that irritate me. Like, that would be very irritating to use long term. So it's looking around my house and looking at everything that irritates me and then finding ways to solve the problems. So right now I'm at a point where I am not sure what to do next. I need to think about it for a while, solve some more problems, live with what I've already done, see what works, what doesn't work, and then go from there. IKEA had the narrow shelf, but did not have any of the extra shelves, so we're still waiting for extra shelves. I stole some off my bookcases to finish this. So now I need to get more, but IKEA doesn't have any. And nothing else has been done in here since, because like I said before, I don't know what I'm doing, how I'm going to finish this yet.